Welcome to VGA Cloud Development. Like, hey, you see this right there on the side of the advertisement on this page. I love VG site. Anything that's running in this site and it can't find anything, it puts that there. So this is like was a page that I copied. I think I had Google out in there. So when it transfers sometime, because you can just copy it, it doesn't copy certain things. So running the example in VG, and the page goes to look. Where's this page? And it can't find it. Well, my site does that. My development site does that to everything. If you dial a page in VG, you can't find it. It takes you to the front page. It's like if you dial the wrong name with VG, it takes you to the front page automatically. It's like it calls this to the banner. And that kind of look nice. Kind of look like a futuristic VG banner we can run in the network for people to learn about that stuff, right? And this is my last thing with the emoji stuff from example with the other PHP part, right? Okay. So we don't always take people example, or we don't just take people example because we look for people example for use, like, and we're not one of them example programmers neither. But at times you just look at how other people really do a thing, like that. So we have VG here and we have a download thing. If we click back here. So on this download we did some stuff online about the VGA, like given just like a little brief, and how it's really built and everything. And I think on the last one I'm gonna put in the body, right? Well, we have a free build at VG, so it's cool. So I've always I have VGA, I have my message system I build in smts.com, and that send member messages, and we'll send you a notification on your phone and on your email. So I had an idea along to really culture a real email form. So you can just go ahead and put your email there, and we send it to here, and go ahead and do everything. We're going to update it more, add subject and everything, but this is a real email form, like what's in your Google and everything, right? Works that way. It's written, trust me, that way. Send it to Google, I see it immediately, so you know it's a good written email form, right? Okay, so since we're on this side, I guess you can see the pictures what's going on right here, right? Cool. So let's click off of this for a moment. So, okay, there, all right, from the VG editor, bigger programs that carry more buttons for various things I've shown you along the way. But to get people introduced to like my tool and using it before you start giving them all the modern template generating to generate modern template and using AI to help them and all that kind of stuff. We start them out on the basic free one, right? That we're getting ready to install. So when it's a cloud service, you go with the cloud service, it's be telling you like, oh yeah, go ahead and sign up for the cloud and use our free builder, right? Along with the free builder here, it's a lot of free resources going to be in the resources windows that you can get other template, modern just like a piece of div. You might have a div, and this div actually carries a list. This div may be video player, audio player, different types of divs, but each div consists of something that you can just really like copy and put into the body of the page and generate it. It works like that. Now, if you have your little snips, you can also put your snips in the body of the page and generate it in the page, right? And you may need to tweak it, so you can tweak it because you can look at the editing window to see the code, right? So here we just basically have like, okay, we have a page body, and mostly like a page body. Go ahead and like say this is my new page. Okay, you guys? Cool. So if we had an icon for, we can put it right there, right? And we can choose a color, like background color. Well, something I changed the style sheet a few minutes ago, and I still change the style sheet over to look like my site. It sort of stopped bringing the color here, so we got to figure that out. So right now the color is not showing up right there, but at least it's registering. And links for colors and stuff. And we have a method form. I just like had to update this method form again because different styling and style sheet. And that styling through all this up here, that's supposed to be right here. So now I'm gonna do placeholders, so it'll be inside here, and you know which one is for that. And it's like the keywords and description, right? And that's kind of stuff for your meta, right? Okay. So that's some of the stuff that's in it, simple to really like that you would need, right? To like do the page. So to build like a ready-made page for yourself, there's a number of ways. You can select one or you can select two. So let's select one, menu, right? And I'm gonna select all the easy stuff so it's be cool. So if we did a carousel and then we did hit this body right here, this is a place that holds a lot of others. So, meaning if I click on here, it just go ahead and populate all this part. Anyway, so we did that, and we have a foot, so we go ahead and put a 2 there. And we can insert the foot and close out the window. And so we can, but I just eliminated something here a few minutes ago that I had a little button you click, it being your internal view. But I'm having error with that, also with the style sheet, so I decided we probably don't need it, so we'll just generate the program instead and view it. Alright? Sort of like look at a page that is like spill, right? So it's cool. It's just that it's made it easy to generate, and I'm also will make it easy for me to actually populate the template areas. Right, so, but if you want to do all of them, you can just click on all of these guys and all of them will pop up, so you get actually content on everything, every single piece of it, like that. And so, as you can see, you can do different stuff like style sheet 1, okay, and we'll go back and do this body again. I think style sheet 1 though is failing us though a little because I think it's up here on the top if I can find it. Maybe it's on the bottom of this style sheet right here. And then the last for the style sheet that was generated before the program was really actually generated around everything. generating the style sheet. I'll go to style sheet. Anyways, so you see how easy it is to really generate and add stuff to the page, right? So let's talk about it now. So here we sort of like have different style sheet options, and the different style sheet options is if I went here and I'm gonna choose red, and I think I shouldn't be choosing. I think it's 2. Right, and two. Let's see what color we get in here first. Because sometimes it's not changing on the stuff. It's like I don't think I caught the right style sheet. So if I didn't catch the right style sheet, let's give it back one more style sheet. Right. So I mean, you can like mess around with the colors and stuff, and it's sort of like that, you know. You have the page body, and if you sort of like mix the 2 or the 3 style sheets, you will come up with different colors. You know what I mean? Like, okay, let's get this back. Let's go back to page body again, and let's get clear. And see, I gotta fix that because I need to know what color is doing. And I even thought about maybe I need to bring this area right here into a frame so we can still have this on the outside right here being there, because that's just to have this on the top and the outside certainly is causing some error in the program, you know, that type of stuff. And then we're going to do the mix-up stuff. Right. You know, in the future I'll have more templates for you guys to like really explore more. So one template after defeat the other template. Okay. Let's see where to get a color. So like playing around with the template to try to get color in it. You know what I mean? Because we're using the gray, one of them is a gray, so it picks it up like a transparency, right? Okay. So great. So thanks you guys for like viewing this short demonstration of VG editor, quick template generated system, and we have some startup templates here in the system. Of course, because it's free, so we got Bootstrap 4 for you guys. It's free, because you get them from Bootstrap for free. But of course, we have much more modern templates that is designed for the system. So we haven't really finished up the paid version part of it yet. So, but I just like give you a free version, so you kind of get the idea that you'll be able to just do stuff, click stuff, and it'll drop into the page, and then you can like do that. Because of course we said VGs are a cloud. So at the lab, you have various building tools. So this is one of the free tools for you to like explore. And monthly or whatever, or we may be adding a new function to it for the users that still you're gonna have to sign up. If you don't sign up, you won't be able to use it. And it's a good idea for you to sign up, because you can be notified when changes are going to be made to the editor and new features are added. when we may change it all over to just using straight an Ajax editor now or a straight PHP or whatever, you don't know. So that stuff. Thanks you guys for viewing VGA Development Lab.